The way the hackathon works is that people will pitch ideas, and if you're someone who wanted to participate in the hackathon but you maybe don't have an idea of your own, you can join a team. That's how my team worked, is I had an idea and then other people joined in from different teams who had different expertises and they were able to help. It's different from the day-to-day work in that you get to take some time out and work on whatever project it is that you want. It could be an internal tool that helps improve your day-to-day workflow for yourself or your team or the whole company, or you can work on a product function that you've always wanted to see, envisioned, that you've just not had the bandwidth to work on.
It was really neat to look at some stuff that isn't really a part of what my team does, but I feel like I got a greater knowledge and greater appreciation for more things outside of my traditional workspace. We're taking data from public APIs, real-time stuff like weather, and making it so that it will work with time series dashboards that we already have.
It's been nice to just dive into technology that I work quite a bit with, but in the aspect of seeing how to monitor it and just getting to explore things that the team's been meaning to get around to for a while.
I've been working with two members of Core App, two people who I hadn't worked with very closely until the hack day, so it feels sort of unexpected and really awesome that I got to work with them and found out that we work very well together.
I love the hackathon t-shirts. Those are awesome little collector's items for everyone to wear.
It was so hard to pick. All three designs were so cool. I literally flipped a coin between the two that were my favorite.
The one that I picked harkens back to my own snowboarding roots with the ski goggles and then also the old school ASCII art in the reflection.
The hackathon is open to everybody, so I got to work with other members of teams that I've never gotten a chance to work with before. Also, again, other people I know out there put projects that are maybe even unrelated technologically, but that were still important to them to get done, so they were able to take this opportunity to do those as well.